pagalunop, enigmata, diretso, ligi tayong suyop. Halatawag ang adik, kilunod ang kasakit. Gihimo na akong music, no one's doing this same shit I'm doing. A lot keep hating, but better stop it soon. Kay kung dilihin mo, unti kang doja, masenyo to the moon. Nagsuwat-suwat og lyrics sa employees bathroom. Trabaho alas 11, hantod alas 8. Iniguli record na dayon. Alas 4 na muhigda, oras ang gibayad. Sa pangandoy nga perting mahala. Music akong dota, 2 songs a week mo na akong kota. Sa mga fans nako sa Germany, CDO, Canada, ug sa uban pa, salamat sa inyong suporta. Kabalo na mo nga di ko kabalong mohonong. Ang akong kainit mo ra pagbagang gitayop tunga sa bokong. Swear to God, my wave by the be a typhoon, yeah, ayong jobs I don't like.
Lari natin, Lari natin. Balik muna natin yan. Balik muna natin yan nickname, guys.
I can see behind the smoke and mirrors, niggas ain't really big as they sing. I never say anything, everybody got their thing. Some niggas make millions, other niggas make memes. I'm on a money routine, I don't want smoke, I want cream. I don't want no more comparisons, this is a marathon. And I've been playing a bet from a lack of promotions. I never was one for the bragging and boasting. I guess I was hoping the music would speak for itself, but the people want everything else. Ain't no problem, I show up on every one album, you know what the outcome will be. I'm betting 1,000, it's got to the point that these rappers don't even like rapping with me. Fucking come my nigga 21 Savage just hit me and told me he sent me a spot on a new record he got. He called it a lie. I open my book and I jot. Papers to Kashi, they wanted a rap. I picture him inside a cell on a cot, reflecting on how he made it to the top, wondering if it was worth it or not. I pray for my girl cause they fucked up his shot. Just want you to know that you got it, my nigga. Though I never met you, I know that you special and that the Lord bless you. Don't doubt it, my nigga.
Ay, bawal. Pagyan naman natin, nickname natin.
I had some fans that hopped in the band and shit when they thought that I wasn't gon' pan. I got a plan. They say the success is the greater revenge. Tell all your friends.
Ano gusto nyo laruin, guys?
And the spot is the greatest that did it before.
Ano na lang tayo?
How much money you got? How many problems you
Ayan.
got? How many people that doubted you? Left you out and right.
Ayan na lang tayo laruin.
How many lawyers you got? How many times you got
No.
shot? How many niggas you shot? How many times did you ride? How many niggas that died? How many times did you cheat?
Clean natin to, guys. Yung
How many
popcorn.
times did she leave? How many times did she cry? How many chances she
Comment nyo lang yung name nyo, guys. Comment nyo na lang yung ano nyo yan, na username. Binigyan ko kayo. Mag-join kayo tapos yan, ano kami. Unti pa lang friends ko, guys. Name ko, ilalagay ko dyan, sa CapCut ko, guys. Ilalagay ko dito name ko. So, name ko, guys, yan, guys, yung name ko. Naon ko na, guys, binili ko yan sa Robux, Toko, ZKYT5. Yan ako yan, guys, name ko yan, Stop nyo na lang yung video, guys. 1 million for 30 jump lang, Pag nag-ano kayo ng 1 million, 30 jump. 30 jump. Ako computer kasi ako, guys. Kaya ganyan. Lang, guys. Ano gusto yung ipatugtog? Forever Young. Ipatugtog natin. Forever Young. Forever Young. Lang, guys, Bye-bye, guys.